Good evening. This is Akashvani Kohima. I am Jonas Yantan with Evening News. The headlines. Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio says government is keen to encourage performing schools. Deputy Chief Minister Y Patton lays foundation stone of SDPO Office, Akuluto under Zunheboto district. Kiphire Deputy Commissioner Tsulise Sangtam appeals for reopening of CMO and District Hospital Kiphire Medical Superintendent offices. And Chumoukedima, Kohima and Dimapur leading in Nagaland Olympic and Paralympic Games 2024. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio today inaugurated Government High School Composite in Merema, Kohima. He said that the government is keen to encourage performing schools and commended GHS Merema for having one of the highest enrollment under SDPO Zunheboto and selected among the first batch of Nectar Nagaland project. Highlighting the need to leverage performance of government schools, Chief Minister said that it is a collective failure of the state as even when highly qualified teachers are appointed in government schools, there is gradual deterioration in quality of education. He called all stakeholders to come together and take government schools to the positions they used to be in the past by addressing issues faced by schools. Rio also emphasized on meritocracy and challenged government schools to match performance of private schools. Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio further opined that community support is the need of the hour and acknowledged Village Council for contributing towards construction of additional classrooms. Advisor for School Education and SCERT, Dr. Gekre Yome, stressed on the need to safeguard and nurture school to enable growth. He said there were 2,59,000 students in private schools and 1,50,000 in government school. In this regard, Yome asserted the need to reclaim prestige of government school in the state and ease huge burden faced by the parents on education spending. Minister Salhodonio Cruz and advisor Kutecho Kamo also attended the program. Kiphire Deputy Commissioner Tsulise Sangtam has appealed to United Sangtam Students' Conference USSC to lift agitation and reopen offices of Chief Medical Officer and Medical Superintendent District Hospital in Kiphire positively by tomorrow. He said that medicines and vaccines are stored in the CMO's office, which is hindering medical services for patients and general in the district. The DC has assured that no medical officers and staff who were transferred out of Kiphire will be released until an amicable solution to the matter is reached. The USSC had earlier sealed the offices owing to non-fulfillment of demands regarding transfer of nurses and doctors, including CMO, in the district. Deputy Chief Minister Y Patton today laid the foundation stone of SDPO Office, Akuluto, under Zunheboto district. Speaking at the program, Patton said today's ceremony marks an important milestone in the state's continued effort to strengthen law and order maintenance in the district. He said a new SDPO office will provide the police personnel with the infrastructure and resources required for performing duties under any given situation. Patton said the establishment of SDPO office at Akuluto is for the convenience and betterment of all the people living within the adjoining villages. He said both men and women police personnel will work for maintaining peaceful environment and to promote communal harmony in the society, emphasizing that public-police partnership is an integral part for effective policing. The Deputy Chief Minister said the state government has accorded their needs on priority and therefore it is the responsibility of the people of Akuluto to make it function effectively. Patton further urged upon all the citizens of Akuluto in particular and Zunheboto district in general and the police personnel posted to maintain utmost cooperation and build close coordination for better understanding towards bringing positive changes in all fronts. The Deputy Chief Minister was accompanied by Minister Pashangmungpa Chang and advisors Kajeto Ginimi, Kropol Vitsu, Tovihoto Ayemi, Setronkyu, and A. Bangjung Jamye. A 5-day training program on expanded packages of services under Comprehensive Primary Health Care CPHC began for medical officers of primary health centers and urban primary health centers yesterday in Kohima. Health and Family Welfare Commissioner and Secretary V. Kezo expressed hope that the training will reorient the approach of medical practitioners towards duties and responsibilities. Kezo encouraged medical officers to exceed routine duties and become powerful agents of change in transforming health-seeking behavior. Principal Director Dr. Ritutu said primary health centers are community's first point of contact. He urged medical officers to uphold medical ethics and commit to delivering comprehensive healthcare services. NHM State Program Officer Dr. Merinilla Senlem provided an overview of CPHC, emphasizing its aim to reduce out-of-pocket expenses and bring healthcare closer to the people. Chumoukedima PHC was felicitated for receiving National Quality Assurance Standard Certification from Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. During the 5-day training, medical officers will be trained on care in pregnancy and childbirth, neonatal and infant health care services, family planning, management of communicable and non-communicable diseases, basic oral health care, elderly and palliative health care services, and emergency medical services. This news comes to you from Akashvani, Kohima. You can also listen to this news bulletin on News on Air app and YouTube channel AIR News Kohima. 31 heads of government middle schools and government primary schools completed certificate course on school leadership program held from 29 January to 12 February in Kohima. The training was aimed at enhancing leadership skills among school heads. The resource persons included co-members of School Leadership Academy, SCERT, District Institutes of Education and Training, and Directorate of School Education. The School Education Department has informed all private schools in the state that application formats for recognition, upgradation, and renewal of recognition have been uploaded on the department's website. The format will be available until 15th March. Any school wishing to apply have been instructed to download format and submit to the department within stipulated time. The Nagaland State Legal Services Authority has informed that the annual Lok Adalat will be conducted in the state in 4 quarters as per schedule provided by the National Legal Authority. The first quarter will be held on 9th March, second on 11th May, and on 14th September and 14th December, respectively. During Lok Adalat, disputes and cases pending in the court of law or at pre-litigation stage are settled amicably in a speedy and affordable manner. And in sports, Chumoukedima district is leading the medal tally with 20 medals, followed by Kohima and Dimapur districts in the Nagaland Olympic and Paralympic Games 2024, taking place simultaneously at Chumoukedima and Dimapur. Kohima district clinched 19 medals and Dimapur 18. In the games so far, disciplines like cricket, football, badminton, freestyle wrestling, lawn tennis, pencak silat, sepak takraw and taekwondo were held. The second phase of the games will begin tomorrow. A half marathon is being organized on 17 February from Pulbari to High School Junction. Kohima Municipal Council Administrator T. Lanosenla Longoma said that the event aims to activate the city and raise awareness for the upcoming Khelo India University Games 2023 wrestling to be held in Kohima from 22nd to 25th February. All wards chairmen have been instructed to publicize the upcoming event in their respective wards to encourage individuals to participate. The fly-off for the half marathon will commence at 6:30 a.m. And now 20 news, here are the main points again. Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio says government is keen to encourage performing schools. Deputy Chief Minister Y Patton lays foundation stone of SDPO Office, Akuluto, under Zunheboto district. Kiphire Deputy Commissioner John Tsulise Sangtam appeals for reopening of CMO and District Hospital Kiphire Medical Superintendent offices. And Chumoukedima, Kohima and Dimapur leading in Nagaland Olympic and Paralympic Games 2024. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.